What do you need to steam tamales on a stove?
Welcome to our cooking guide, where we are going to walk through the process of steaming tamales on a stove. This traditional Mexican dish can seem intimidating to prepare, but with the right tools and our easy-to-follow guide, you'll be a tamale-making pro in no time.
What will you need?
To steam tamales, you need a few specific items. 1. Tamales. These can be homemade or store-bought, and the quantity depends on your needs. 2. A steamer pot. This is the essential tool to steam tamales. It's a pot with a steamer insert, also called a steamer basket. 3. Water. You'll need enough water to fill the bottom part of your steamer pot without touching the tamales. 4. A heat source. This will usually be your stove, but any safe heat source will do.
How to prepare the steamer?
Preparing your steamer is an essential step in this process. Here's what you need to do. 1. Add water to the steamer pot. Fill the pot about a quarter full, ensuring the water level is below the steamer insert. You don't want the water to touch the tamales directly. 2. Arrange the tamales in the steamer insert. Place the tamales standing up in the basket. If you're using a round steamer, start from the center and work your way outward in a spiral. Make sure they're not packed too tightly. They need space to expand as they cook.
How to steam the tamales?
Now comes the main part, the steaming process. 1. Place the steamer insert into the pot. Be sure the lid fits snugly to prevent steam from escaping. 2. Heat the water. Turn on the stove and bring the water to a boil. 3. Lower the heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to medium-low. The water should be at a steady simmer. 4. Cover the pot. Place the lid on the pot. Make sure it's properly sealed. 5. Steam the tamales. Let the tamales steam for about 90 minutes. Check the water level every 20 to 30 minutes, and add more if necessary, to avoid burning the pot. And there you have it, the simple process of steaming tamales on a stove. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't worry if it takes a few tries to get it right. Now, enjoy your delicious homemade tamales.